Hi, I am Roxana from WP Estate, and in this video I will show how to manage the instant booking option with WooCommerce payments in the WP Rentals team. For the guest to place a new booking, the login is mandatory, but if you use instant booking with WooCommerce payments, the login requirement when the booking is placed will be bypassed. In this video you will learn the settings that you need to take to have this behavior. First, I will show the settings for the admin side, and after I will show how this will work for the guest. The first step is to enable WooCommerce. For that, you will need to go to WP Rentals options, add listing page and payment settings. Under WooCommerce settings, the option for WooCommerce payments needs to be set to yes. Next, the WooCommerce plugin needs to be installed and the payment add-on that you want to use. I have the WooCommerce Stripe Gateway installed. Next, you will need to set WooCommerce. You'll need to go to settings, and in accounts and privacy, you will need to enable the option to facilitate a new account to be created on checkout page. You will need to enable these options and save changes. The instant booking needs to be enabled for the properties. I will do that. I will go to user dashboard, my listings. I will edit the listing, and here I will enable the instant booking option. Once these settings are done, the guest can place a booking without having to log in, but still a new account will be created on checkout page. As a guest, I can add a new booking without having to log in. I will select dates and guest number, and I will press instant booking button. Now, instead of having to log in, I am redirected to the cart page from WooCommerce. Here I will see the booking details and I will click proceed to checkout. Here the guest will need to add a valid email address and tick this option, create an account with WP Rentals, fill in the address details, add payment details depending on the payment method that you want to use. I use Stripe in test mode to show how this works. And once the guest places the order, a new account will also be created for the guest. The guest will receive an email with username and a link to set a new password. These credentials can be used to log in the site and manage booking details. After login, the guest can go to my reservation in his account and check the booking details. This wraps our video. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notifications on new videos.